E-commerce development. The e-commerce world is growing like never before. Due to ongoing pandemic, studies show that digital e-commerce sales will rise to 44% in 2024, and the two key devices driving the revolution will be smartphones and tablets. If you want to develop an e-commerce app or website, you should be aware of the latest trends that will dominate in upcoming years. Top trends in e-commerce development: voice search and chat bots, augmented or virtual reality, multiple payments method, progressive web apps. Must-have features for e-commerce development: wishlist, shopping cart and related items, high-resolution images and videos, product reviews, discounts and offers, multi-shipping methods and tracking, social sharing, well-built back office to manage customers and sellers, products and categories, orders, payments and analytics. OneClick services and solutions for e-commerce development: custom and online store development, Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop development, payment gateway integration, mobile app or website development. E-commerce development is one of our expertise, and we follow a dedicated process divided into stages. We believe in agile development, comprehensive solutions, timely updates and delivery. Get in touch with us to share your requirements. OneClick, we build brands from ideas.